Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about SPI Energy, and though the data is limited, so you can see that the data is limited and it is available since 2016, from where it has fallen nearly most of its value get eroded. So from 180 dollars it fell down to 0.5 dollars, not even a dollar. And the way it has moved in the past couple of days, and specifically in a single day it has moved more than 700 odd percent, is phenomenal. And if you check the movement from the lows of March 12 2020, the stock has already given a return of 1200 odd percent. So these moves are very phenomenal. Now, if you look at this trend, so with that one or two stroke, the stock has surpassed lots of resistance, and now it will become a support. And the trend will probably change, but it will definitely take time. But with this kind of 600 or 700% move, it or we can say that things are looking good for the time being, and let's see where and how it will go. But obviously we have to keep some things in our mind, so that we should understand the probability and what are the risks we are carrying. So now if you look at this trend, so you have your lows at 0.55 and then you have 0.56. So these are your big support levels, and then you have 0.9. So you can see with one stroke or with one trading move how many resistance level this stock has broken on the upside and where it is trading right now. Now, so all these things have broken with a single day trade. And yes, okay, so let me just draw the important support and resistance level, so that we can understand the levels in a much better way. So this is the trend, the important support and resistance lines. So obviously there are lots of. Now, as the stock is trading above 7.39, so your immediate support will become 7.39 and then 6.6. So these are the two important support levels now you have to look. And if the stock fell below or falls below 6.6, then we have 3.9. Okay, so the fall will be pretty big. Then 1.7, then we have 1.04, then 0.64, and finally we have 0.56. So these are the important support levels which one needs to look at. Now on the higher side, now this thing, one thing one need to take care before going forward, that for the target of 15.6, the stock must stay above $7.5. Okay, so this support level at 7.39 must hold. That's why I'm saying that $7.5 on the upside must hold. Then we are going to think about $15.6, because this is a free zone, you can say that. So this is indeed a 100% move. So that's why I'm saying, if the stock needs to go and reach $15 as the next target, the stock needs to stay above 7.39. So after 15.6 we have 23.46, then we have 26.42, we have then 50.38, and we have 92.87. Now, the important things which one need to understand here is this, that there are lots of support and lots of resistance at the target level available in the chart, and the kind of moves we have seen in this particular script right now is probably may or may not be based on fundamentals. Okay, so if a stock moves 1000% in a month, that does not mean that it is fundamentally a good company, or it is so depressed in valuation that the stock needs to move 1000% in a span of couple of days. So you need to understand this is simply a trading move, and when we have a trading move with such volatility that the stock can go 3000 4000% on the upside, you may ready yourself for the downfall as well. That's why it is very important to understand the risk, and you should know your risk or the support levels which you need to take care before taking any position, or before taking the money and put out from your pocket and take a trade out of it. Okay, so whenever you are thinking, at least in this script, you should consider what are the risk you are carrying right now. Also, you must look at one level, keep your stop loss, go for another level, look at that. If it is fine, then again trail your stop loss and go for the next level. Do not just jump and carry forward your position like there is no tomorrow and I'm going to be a millionaire today or tomorrow or after a month. That sometimes work, that kind of risky trade, but not all the time, because understand that money is something which you have very limited in number, at least for an individual. Okay, so do not simply put your money just to satisfy yourself, or just to think that something will work. Okay, it may work once, twice, thrice, but it will not work every time, unless you have a theory behind each and everything you are doing. Okay, at least when you are putting your money, you have your plan with you, and without that, do not just because something is moving like 6 700% in a single day, you need to jump in and take things accordingly. Now there are lots of levels which we can see on the upside, and if the stock has to go higher and you think that it is good, then it is considered to be safe if you just trail your stop losses and check out each and every time the stock hits the target. Just check out those levels, check the market condition, trail your stop loss. There is no harm in it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.